is that? And he's got this lizard inside of his sleeve, and then thereby the lizard begins to speak. Anta Rasulullah, you are the messenger of God. And the Bedouin believes, and he goes and calls the Bedouins of the desert, and they all believe. Introduced to Allah Ta'ala by virtue of the Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the doe, a deer, a female deer, yeah, one of those. Believes in the Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he sees a doe, a doe captured by a Bedouin, the Bedouin asleep. And the Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, when the doe sets eyes upon the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, she goes James Brown, she goes James Brown, crying because she sees the Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam there. The Rasul says, Mabiki, what's wrong? She says, this Bedouin's captured me. Look at what she says. Ya Rabbi salli ala nabi man ja'ana bir-risala Taha Muhammad wa alihi man kallamathu al-ghazala. The one who the doe spoke to, sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, this Bedouin captured me. And me got children in the mountains there, Ya Rasulallah. So the Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam frees the doe, said, you better come back. And the doe, khalas, the doe run off into the mountains there. Short while later, the doe is taking care of its young ones, comes back to the Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. The Bedouin wakes up. And then the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he sees the Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He says, Kaif ya Rasulullah, what you need, marhaba ya messenger of God. He said, this doe, you captured it, but it's got young ones in the mountains. It's gone, came back, it's a doe of Amana. How could there not be a doe of Amana when it spoke to Muhammad? And they believed in Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, free the doe. And the Bedouin says the doe is free. Then there's a tradition, the doe runs off into the mountain. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. The doe runs into the mountains. Does that speak to the Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Birds that flap over his head, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, as he sits with the army of the Muslims. And the Rasul looks up at the bird, and the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the bird is speaking to me now. It says, somebody has taken its young ones. Which one of you has taken the young ones of this bird? And it was me, Ya Rasulallah. The Prophet said, take the children back to the bed. And the Sahaba there, khalas, he goes and takes the back to the bed. Birds there flapping their wings over the Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Camels screaming for the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam due to injustice, being mistreated, quote unquote, by their masters. Speaking to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, miracles after miracles after miracles, the Rasul introducing creation to Allah.